So the idea of getting the COLA, the covered outdoor learning area, established was to create a space that our children could use during wet weather. Traditionally, our fields are not the greatest during the winter months, and our courts, which have been astroturfed, have become very busy spaces at all times. So we just wanted to be able to have for our children a place they could use when it was wet. Shade systems have a very strong reputation in schools, and talking to other schools that had already created their own COLAs gave us the confidence that we were working with the right people. In regards to the process, we'd actually anticipated it being more disruptive than it actually was. The team that came through from the initial scoping to the time that they put down the foundations, they were very good to work with. They ensured that they were working with the school, being mindful of the fact that we've got 465 children in our school, and they were very respectful of the wishes of the school. And if we did have any concerns, they were very open to hearing those and then responding. It's been phenomenal. We had anticipated the space being there for wet days, but in fact we've used it throughout Term 4 as a space for our assemblies, our graduations. We've had after-school events held underneath the COLA, and it truly is multi-purpose. I can sense and hear from our parents the pride they have that their school has something like this. Thank you to Shade Systems, and hope that we can continue to work together with them.